From the wine room to the greenhouse, every detail of this home tells a story. Step inside this beautifully maintained two-story 1933 classic, where timeless 1930s architecture meets modern renovations from 2015. Skating rock waterfall and an open pool house, perfect for gatherings under the sun or relaxing evenings with friends and family. The detached garage adds convenience and versatility, ideal for vehicles, storage, or creative projects. Inside, the home offers 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, with well-appointed living spaces that flow seamlessly for everyday living or hosting guests. Hardwood floors, high ceilings, and classic details preserve the home's character, while modern updates provide all the comforts of today. For hobbyists and enthusiasts, the greenhouse offers a perfect space to cultivate plants year-round, while the wine room invites you to indulge in your favorite vintages and style. Every aspect of this property is designed to enhance your lifestyle, combining history, elegance, and functionality. Situated in Ruleville, Mississippi, this remarkable estate provides privacy, charm, and an outdoor retreat like no other. Whether you're seeking a family home, an entertainer's paradise, or a personal sanctuary, this property offers the perfect combination of space, beauty, and comfort. Don't miss the chance to make this historic gem your own.